So this is day 2 with my bamboo GTR with all-terrain, and I was just going for a ride, went up the hill, the board shut off, and now it will not turn back on. Power indicator says it's full, even though the battery is definitely not full, it's probably about half. And it did not put me down into an overheating mode or anything like that. When going over the hill, it just turned off. Now it will not turn back on. I've left it for a couple hours to cool off and everything, but yeah, I've had boosted for 3 years and I've never had an issue with them. And second day with Evolve, and I've got a problem.